They say true power doesn't make noise. The loudest one in the room isn't always the strongest. Often it's the one who works in silence, who builds brick by brick while no one's watching. When you grind in the shadows, you're free from distractions, free from opinions, free from doubt. You don't need applause for every step forward. You don't need validation for every sacrifice. You know where you're going, and that's enough. Because here's the truth. Results speak louder than words. Success doesn't need an announcement. It demands recognition. The world may doubt you, ignore you, even underestimate you. But the day your empire stands tall, they won't be able to look away. So keep moving, keep building, keep showing up when it's hard, when it's lonely, when no one believes in you. That's where champions are made. In the silence, in the grind, in the unseen moments. And when the time is right, when the foundation is solid and the work is undeniable, your empire will rise. Not because you told the world you would, but because you showed them. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise.